Okay, so we just finished page 3. Now we're going to turn the page and we're going to go to page 4 in our packet. Page 4 in the same packet that we were working on, the packet that looks like this. Okay, go to page 4. And we have some words that start with that have the PH sound. And we know that that sounds like so this word says pharmacy, trophy, phonograph. So we're going to write these words with the picture they belong with. This right here is a trophy. And people get a trophy when they win a competition, right? So it could be like a sport, or it could be a spelling bee. When you win a competition, you get a trophy. Then over here, we have, okay, go ahead and write the word trophy. Trophy. Then right here we have a man in a white coat, and behind him are a lot of medicines, and he's holding a medicine. So when we're feeling sick and the doctor gives us medicine, we have to go to the pharmacy to get our medicine. They give it to us. We have to pick it up at the pharmacy. Pharmacy. We have to go to the pharmacy to pick up medicine when we're sick. Pharmacy. And then down here we have a graph. 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 Grr. That's a G. Grr. Ah. Graph. And this is a picture of a graph. So sometimes when we want to find out how many people like something or what the weather is going to be like for the rest of the week, we use a graph to put all of that information. Graph. And then we have phone. This is an old school phone. You guys don't see phones like this anymore. You use cell phones. But this is a phone, and these are the buttons that you press to call somebody. Phone. Now your job is going to be to write a sentence using these words. I'm going to write a sentence with you for graph, but you are going to be responsible for writing a sentence for the other 3, okay? So what do we know about sentences? They need to start with a capital letter, okay? So we're going to say the graph, graph, the graph, the graph shows the graph shows how many the graph shows how many kids the graph shows how many kids like The graph shows how many kids like cake. Cake. And I need a period at the end of my sentence. The graph shows how many kids like cake. And then I want you to highlight the word graph because that's the word with the PH sound that we're using with the sound. Okay, so you are going to write a sentence for trophy, pharmacy, and phone. All on your own. And then take a picture when you're all done. Do not forget your capital letters and your period.